This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 25 Pack 12 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 5, stovetop burner, air conditioning, skylight, slide-out, external shower, TV, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 25 Pack 12 is 9,184 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.